live visuals coming in from the Atari border. At the moment, visuals on your screen that you see. That's the women contingent of the BSF at the Atari border. The beating retreat ceremony at the Atari Wagah border, Amritsar.
दर्शक वर्ग पर ध्यान दें, जिस किसी भी दर्शक को जहां कहीं भी जगह मिलती है या जिस किसी भी दर्शक को जहां कहीं भी दिखाया जा रहा, कृपया जल्द से जल्द अपना अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें। स्टेडियम
Meet and retreat ceremony at the Atari Wagah border, Amritsar, which showcases a display of patriotic fervour and military precision on India's 76th Republic Day. The ceremony attracts numerous spectators who gather to witness the unique display of patriotism and discipline. Beating retreat ceremony at the Atari Wagah border, Amritsar, showcases a display of patriotic fervour and military precision on India's 76th Republic Day. The ceremony attracts numerous spectators from across the country who gather to witness the unique display of patriotism and discipline. Kamaljeet Sandhu is joining us live on the broadcast. Kamaljeet, what can you tell us about what the fervour is like at the Atari Wagah border? There are a lot of enthusiastic spectators there to witness the event.
The loud chorus around me, around 40,000 people who've turned up for this grand event. I remember from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Kartavya Path to the Atari Wagah border. What you see behind me is the beginning of the beating retreat, the conclusion of the day ceremony. When the flags are lowered, that should be in another half an hour or so. But we've been speaking at this time around for the first time, showcasing just before the beating retreat was the performance, especially of the bowls team. the yoga performance, the stuntman. We also saw Bhangra, but also the indie dog, the canine dog squad of BSF, which really made its debut right here. But then remember, these women personnel out here, now the first set of women soldiers coming out. But eventually what we'll see is the full force of BSF really in the military rhythm, marching towards the gate. And let me tell you, on the other side is obviously the historical Pakistan gate. Now this ceremony has been on since 1959. And remember, this has been going on every single day without fail. But what we see is very few people remember. A lot of construction happening since August last year. They have just a few hundred people, not matching India's fervor and enthusiasm. There is a loud chorus, enthusiasm, all of it for this entire showcase, especially days like Republic Day, the 76th Republic Day. This is a special day by all means for all Indians who've come here from faraway land. Some of the locals also joining in. We saw some stellar performances as far as Chandigarh University, the other students from Khalsa College also performing here. So it's been a grand mix, not just of showcasing of military precision, the bold team, but also the cultural event and showcasing. And out here, what we see is the sort of preparations being put in place. And look at that, just hear that loud chorus from right behind. And this is where you see the BSF personnel out here, gathering the crowd out here. So in moments from now, you will see the performance that the entire country really wants to see. And yes, the first set of BSF personnel smartly marching towards the gate now. And remember, this is something which they have really improvised on. Both men and women soldiers participate. And this is where, wearing the camouflage uniform, look at those glasses. So it's a stellar performance, and also joining them are the canines. So the canines are also joining them. But here they are marching towards, remember, this is the gate, the pillar 102. And this is where you see crowds both from Pakistan and India now at this point of time. The focus largely being on the gates out here, which will open for a bit. And that's where the gates will open from both ends and the flags will be lowered. But this is where, on a Republic Day, the passion of being an Indian, this is where people have taken out time to travel all the way to the Wagah border, the Attari-Wagah border. And this is where the ceremony takes place. So clearly, a lot of enthusiasm really coming in from lots of people out here, and a lot of crowds gathering here. Remember, there's also been a tractor parade just in Amritsar. But having said that, the India-Pakistan border in Wagah, which is near Amritsar, this draws in a crowd because both BSF and Pak Rangers perform. And this is the ceremony which is known for discipline, patriotism, a sense of national pride, which has actually been seen in some of the exaggerated moments, stamping of foot, energetic movements all coming in. And along with that is the chorus of the people, and they're simply wowed by the performance of the BSF. So thousands of spectators all gathered here. Now hear that voice, it's a powerful symbol of the tensions. This is also about how they want to witness, be part of history which takes place, especially on a day like this. So the meeting retreat ceremony, as I mentioned to you, has been taking place since 1959, and this has become a part of the significant cultural and tourist attraction as well. So a lot of people who head to Amritsar for Harmandir Sahib tend to also head to Wagah border, which is around 20 kilometers or so. And this is an emotional and powerful event because, this also draws in a lot of enthusiasm, lots of people. Look at the audience coming in from all spectrums, all walks of life, all gathered out here. Somebody is here, a local, somebody from Maharashtra, somebody from Kanyakumari. So this draws in lots of people. This is where Indians come together because this means a lot. So a special day like 26, drawing in extra crowds and the national anthem playing. And the loud chorus again. The BSF hooters going on. Look at the national flag flying high. There it is. The pride of India, the symbol of India, national flag. And the chorus. And if we can try and show you the sort of draw of crowds is not just about having attention of Indians, but across the gate, if you have a look, a lot of Pakistanis very curiously also pairing because the Indian side is obviously having a better performance of sorts. So always they have construction, they have a whole lot of things going on. None of the performance, but clearly at this point of time, the focus on the Indian border security force personnel. Lot of cheering, enthusiasm, something draws in the crowds. This is that particular moment. The gate, the energy, the movement, the discipline, all of them really focused on this one particular event, the beating retreat ceremony. And remember, BSF being a very important, vital part of it. And this also draws in not just VVIPs. So we've got Satinder Sartaaj, the Bollywood ka Tadka, one of the famous singers, renowned singers from here. So you see the VVIPs, some of the military personnel, BSF personnel, but clearly the focus is on this one particular path which leads to the border gate, which will open in some time, and the flags of both India and Pakistan will be lowered simultaneously. And this is where, just look at the crowds, the enthusiasm. Clearly, at this point of time, this is where the discipline really works in a specific manner. Remember, they're trying to rein in as far as the crowds are concerned. But enthusiasm is something which is really a commonality here. And remember, as far as the crowd is concerned, as I mentioned to you, they've been coming from. And now let's just look at the gate at one point of time. The gate out here. Now look at the Pakistani personnel, all close to close, just a small gap. We'll turn for a few seconds to ensure that you see that that's the gap. When the gate opens and then you see a few of the Pakistanis who would obviously be peering out here because we don't see much of the cultural performance happening. And the focus is all onto that. Look at those personnel in perfect precision. So this is where really it draws in the crowds from lots of areas. We've been speaking to several of them, a lot of locals. Now look at these. These are the cultural performance people, the personnel. This is where we'll try and show you. This is where a lots of crowds now cheering for the BSF. We'll just let the visual speak for itself for a bit. Personnel in front and the rest of the BSF with the strong moustaches, a fierce look on their face. Something the crowd really loves. Clearly enthralled by this audience. as more BSF personnel really join them during this parade in the Beijing retreat. So the crowd is now being introduced to the set of personnel who conducted the march, led by two women. And remember, women soldiers shoulder to shoulder with men personnel participating in Beijing retreat. This is going to be for 25 minutes now. It's going to have not just the focus of all those people on Atari Wagah border, but all across the country. Year after year, it draws in lakhs of people, enthralls a lot of people, it draws in the sort of passion that is really required, because these men and women of BSF actually work in anonymity, and that's where a lot of them come here. That's where they get not just the sense of how people are really focused on the work that they're doing 24/7, but this ceremony, something which has been entrenched in the veins of BSF, who've been conducting this every single day, and clearly they have improvised over it. Remember, even the BSF stadium, this one, this had 5 to 10,000 people coming in earlier, and now the crowds have simply expanded, clearly over 20,000, accommodating even 40,000, with loud chorus of Bharat Mata Ki Jai. This is where the crowds really come in to see this, because this is a very special day. But as far as India is concerned, remember, the Indian flag as well as the Pakistani flag will go down simultaneously. That's called the lowering of the flag. Discipline. This is what display of discipline really looks like. An absolute national pride. Many would say this has a theatrical quality, but the soldiers performing this exaggerated and highly energetic movement. This is where thousands of people really come in. Spectators from both sides who witness this powerful symbol despite shared history. And look at this. Over 6 feet tall. The gate, the aggression here seen now. And after a few hundred meters, you know, it takes a sense of calm to really settle down again before the second set really comes in. But look at the discipline right here. It's almost magical. Not just historical, but magical, mesmerizing. That's when these soldiers march forward. And look at the moustache. This is something that they really look forward to. Because these soldiers come from different areas, some of them from border areas. But this is what is this distinct, great, the look of these personnel who are actually selected for this parade. If I could speak 1,000 words, this is it. So the grades now finally opening in, and there you see the Park Rangers right across. And if you see as a mirror shake hands out here, but the aggression, both sides really remaining. Now the next few minutes are extremely important because that is when the borders will eventually close for the day, because both Pakistani and Indian flag will lower down in extreme synchronicity. Look at this, the sort of aggressive stance here. The border security fires face to face with Pak Rangers. Old enemies, old neighbors, and here you see the aggressive, look at the moustache, the gate. This is where the audience for a brief moment can see across the gates, because these gates are open and you can see the construction right across. In Pakistan, a lesser crowd here, but it is the BSF men which draw in a whole lot of attention just through the gate. But it's the ceremony, the theatrics of it all. The aggression starts simply in the eyes, you can see that. This is where the BSF personnel steal the march right across. The Pakistani Rangers there, their uniform right across there. 1 instance right here and across. Just have a look to the Pakistani side. For a brief moment, this is where the gates open, the ceremony are conducted. You can see very well inside, deep inside, how there is construction on which is going on for past several months. But the crowd's not matching the Indian side. Remember, the drums beating there, those Pakistani Rangers in the dark uniform, but it's the BSF out here. And remember, in the next few minutes, this is where, with exact precision and military style detailing, the march will move forward, and in some time what you'll see is the Indian and Pakistani flags, both hoisted right here at the borders, will close with lowering of the flag. And look at this. Sweat coming out because of the short gate, that march. The distance may not be much, but it's a sort of aggression. And that's why you see sweat really trickling down. The audience on Indian and Pakistani side are thrilled. This is what they've really come to see. All with a loud chorus of Bharat Mata Ki Jai. And this is where they keep reiterating Hindustan Zindabad. You know, if Sunny Deol was here and he could have repeated the dialogues, amazing enthusiasm. And even if it's for a first timer, it's mesmerizing. But people like us who've been coming here and reporting on this particular event, every time it has been magical. This particular parade itself has seen fair share of its own criticism about the cultural event. But today is the day where all that is really negated, because that's where people of all walks of life come under this one particular stadium. They look at the sort of preparation which is done. This is where they may be far away from the borders, but this is where they feel close to how security forces, how BSF has been working right here. The pillar number 102, this is where since 1959 this parade has been going on, and simultaneously in great precision. There you see, this is the conclusion of the day, so this ceremony becomes extremely important because it's the flags that's being lowered now. So the movement has begun, and this, as the sun goes down, that's the end of the day. While the gates will close eventually in some time, the gates are open so that the flags can be lowered. So this is watched very, very intently. Because remember, the gates are wide open. You can see the soldiers right across. They can really peer through right here. And this is an extremely important ceremony. The drums, the band, the clenching of fists, the stomping, everything comes to an end once is the lowering of the flag. So this is a very critical point of view. This is what the audience really comes in for. Marching in great synchronicity and walk forward. You can look at the bugle with them. The aggressive posturing mirrored by the Pakistani Rangers. Look at this. This really draws, and you can feel the tension in the air. This is what audience looks in. Everybody on with the cameras to capture this particular moment. Coming on from Pakistan, but there you see briefly the ropes almost touching the borders of each other countries, but this is where now the soldiers, in a final conclusion, in a final act, have now started the procedure of lowering of the flag. Still going on. Look at that. Curling of the moustache. You know, all that is a part of the procedure day in and day out. But on an important day like this, in focus. So what you hear is an announcement. All are set to rise because it's the lowering of the flag. All those in uniform platform will salute the flag. Meanwhile, the audience stands. Now that's where we pan the camera for a bit. And I'll ask camera person Aman to really focus now on both the flags right here. Look at this. At one point of time, both Indian and Pakistani flags will almost touch each other at a cross point, a cross section. Gentle movement, the simplicity of both the flags being lowered at this point of time. Another historical day comes to an end. Republic. India is celebrating a Republic Day. It's a great day for all Indians. And with this lowering of flag, the day is officially concluded. And eventually, the Indian flag is going to be wrapped. The gates will close shortly. And it will mark conclusion of Beijing retreat. The Indian flag being carried with full honors, with full respect by the border security force men. And we go back to see the gates closing. But this is almost the climax of it all. permission for conclusion of the ceremony. A glorious tradition. And the Jains are out. That means the borders are sealed now. And this is the conclusion of the ceremony. That's when the crowds will now really rush out. But an eventful day, especially for all those who came out here. A momentous day, a glorious day as far as Indians are concerned, because very few are really privileged to come here and really witness this by themselves. And there you see, a lot of photo opportunities now will really eventually happen, because these BSF personnel are not just stars, they are heroes. And this is where a lot of these people who want to come out, take pictures with them. But this actually now marks the conclusion of this big day, especially a traditional glory that BSF really brings to India at this point of time. And we do expect the VVIP to come and make a stand.
Thank you so much, Kamaljeet, for bringing us all those details. In fact, beautifully summing up all those visuals that continue to trickle on our screens as well. Thank you so much for bringing us all those details. A beautiful day, a glorious day, as Kamaljeet just called it, coming to an end with the beating retreat ceremony.